Hey everyone, this is what I ordered. It's a stand. It's got a speaker built into it. It says it's 90% put together, so that's the same one I saw at Ollie's. I just ordered it online because it was easier to order it online than it was to... That would probably be the remote and the power cord. It says 90% assembled, so whatever 90% assembled means.
Don't need your help.
Oop. Accessories, whatever that is.
Could be your feet.
Probably. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. Now, talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.